Fuck off.
You little rascal. See, people don't believe that I don't swear. But I don't, do I?
Fuck off, fucker. Fuck off.
Pardon? You need to face this way, darling. Look over this way. That's better.
Fuck off. Ow. What's my darling? Come here, Bob.
Oh, don't pester her again. This is her time for a nap.
No, no.
No, no. Hmm?
Shut up. Swat. Come on, baby. Come on.
Where do you want to go then?
Fuck off. Swat. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off.
There are stories about what we might call
Stop it. Keep burping, belching.
No, no.
No, no, darling. God bless you.
some slaves
Shut up.
what they often
Janet?
Why do you want Janet?
stories about lies
Oh, Janet, please.
Hmm?
What?
What?
Twat. Shut up. Fuck off.
Oh, you're terrible. Why are you so potty-mouthed tonight then? Have I upset you today? Oh, you've gone out of shot now. I've got to move the camera. Well, don't move. Where are you going? Okay.
And with that in mind, of course, most slaves
Fuck off.
create netting around the ship to prevent slaves from jumping overboard.
Twat.
You love to swear, eh?
Come on.
I think suicide
Give
was
us massage.
slaves.
Janet?
Give you a massage?
There were reports.
Where'd you get that from?
Some groups of slaves, notably those
Twat.
Oh, don't be horrible to me, please. You don't know how you hurt my feelings.
Come on. You twat. Come on, twat.
What?
Janet?
Why do you want Janet all of a sudden?
Get off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Get off.
Hey,
Fuck off. Ow, shut up. Fuck up.
you're not funny, really. I don't know what we're going to do about you.
What's your next?
Why do you want Janet?
Come on.
Well, she's in Australia, isn't she?
Janet?
She's in Australia.
Go on. Pick up.
You might think now that the Africans were in a strange environment, thousands of miles,
Come here,
they
boy.
might finally accept their lots, working as slaves in plantations. But the spirit of freedom could not
Who are you chatting to?
undermine the disorientation of the Middle East
Fuck up.
and the brutality of the European environment.
What?
Janet?
Yes, I got the Janet bit.
Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Fuck up.
You're mad. You are totally, totally crackers. It's not clever to belch. It will, so you should be.
Janet? Go on. Pick up. Pick up.
Stop saying that.
And she still continued to insist.
Oh, fine.
People were dealt with
That's right.
whipped
Hmm?
Go on.
to sort of 300
That's
lashes.
not true.
Why don't you say a nice nursery rhyme?
Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Leave her alone. No, don't call her.
And
Accurate.
I
Twat.
mean, I think such a slave woman, I've been like a lot. Swimming, carrying on,
Oh, dear.
it's
Oh.
with children to resist slavery.
Fuck off.
I mean,
Hey, come on. Try and keep it clean.
Women with priestesses
Right, sausage.
and real powerful priestesses.
All right, sausage.
Right, nice. Fuck up. Shut up.
You can't do it for a minute, can you? No, I don't want to do a wee.
Given the white man's attempts to hide all traces of Africanness from their property, painted with names and numbers, it's amazing that
I don't know why that makes me laugh, but it does.
Oh,
Oh dear.
is recognizable in the Nigerian Yoruba and cultural survival was itself a form of resistance.
You got the giggles again.
Women managed peaceful coexistence with their outside.
Oh, hey, I'm not fat.
When times were hard, the general atmosphere
Do you want a sherry? Did you say sherry, dear?
had no incentive to work
bye-bye.
other than
No, no, darling.
punishment if they didn't. But violence bred resentment.
All right, baby.
Vicious cycle would be repeated. On the vast